Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
B. Bees have been declared the most important species on the planet, which comes as no surprise as they provide food and shelter to a humongous diversity of organisms. Bees make perfect examples of keystone species. They promote sustainability among ecosystems by cross-pollinating many different plant species.
Take our lead.
African elephants are keystone species, meaning they play a critical role in their ecosystem. Also known as ecosystem engineers, elephants shape their habitat in many ways. During the dry season, they use their tusks to dig up dry riverbeds and create watering holes many animals can drink from.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Some birds are considered keystone species as their presence in, or disappearance from, an ecosystem affects other species indirectly. For example, woodpeckers create cavities that are then used by many other species.
Take our lead.
Lions are a keystone species. They are important predators, the only wild animals in Africa big enough to bring down big herbivores like elephants and giraffes. Lions also help keep herbivore herds healthy as they usually prey on the sickest, weakest, and oldest animals.
Take our lead.
Ecologists have identified numerous keystone species, defined as organisms that have outsized ecological impacts relative to their biomass. Here we identify human beings as a higher order or hyperkeystone species that drives complex interaction chains by affecting other keystone actors across different habitats.
Let's help you make your mark.
Native bees are the most predominant pollinators of flowering plants in nature, thus contributing a vital service to the ecosystem. Because of this important role, bees are referred to as keystone species.
Take our lead.
Herbivores can also be keystone species. In African savannas such as the Serengeti Plains in Tanzania, elephants are a keystone species. With elephants to control the tree population, grasses thrive and sustain grazing animals such as antelopes, wildebeests, and zebras.
Let's help you make your mark.
Owls, and other birds of prey, are often keystone species. Robert Payne coined the term keystone species in 1969. According to Payne, keystone species are animals that help manage other animal species by controlling population numbers and biodiversity within an ecosystem.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Wolves are what's referred to as a keystone species, which is any species that other plants and animals within an ecosystem largely depend on. If a keystone species is removed, the ecosystem would drastically change, and in some cases, collapse.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instead of using harmful products such as herbicides, pesticides, and insecticides, try using natural alternatives in your home gardens. Cultivate native plants. Many native bee species are declining due to lack of nourishment.
Take our lead.
Following are the examples of keystone species. Sea otters. Sea otters are responsible to keep a check on the population of sea urchins and thereby prevent the destruction of kelp forests caused by the sea urchins. American alligator. Bees. Large mammalian predators. Sea stars. Hummingbirds. Tiger sharks.
Take our lead.
Sea stars are important members of the marine environment and are considered a keystone species. A keystone species preys on animals that have no other natural predators, and if they are removed from the environment, their prey will increase in number and may drive out other species.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.